So on one side, we have someone 55 and older, and they are reaching out to us for a million different reasons, right? I just need income, or I could use some snow shoveling or yard work, or I could use rides to the doctors or meals, or I would love somebody that would like to do some social things, right? They are coming at this reason that they want a home share, because and 95% of the time it's also because they need money. On the other side, we have all of these people coming in who need affordable housing, and they say, I can drive, I could cook, I could, mow the lawn, I can pay this much money, I want to live in this part of town, I have a cat. And it is a very slow, safe, thoughtful process that brings people together in a mutually beneficial relationship. We do the living together contract, which is not a lease, but it really is what space in the kitchen and what time does it have to be quiet, and when does the trash go out, and what does the service exchange look like? Are we going to have meals once a week just to check in? Are we going to grocery shop together? Are we going to split groceries, right? All of those things, so that when the match is made, all the expectations are very, very clear. But the average length is about 2 years. The average rent saved is about $1,000 to $1,400 a month, right? So you're saving $12,000 in rent, right? Just by sharing a home. The average time is 8 weeks, and the average service exchange, the home provider, between if they didn't have to pay for lawn mowing or bathing or dressing or any of those kind of service exchange things. And again, what we call ADLs. So the bathing and dressing is not something that would be provided in our program. But what we find is if they are now earning $500 a month, they now have that money that they could use to pay for someone to come and do some of that stuff. So you're talking about an economic value of about $18,304 to the home provider by sharing their home.